Hello guys, what's up everyone? So welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm going to tour you in this area. So kaning area guys, mo dire mi matulog later. So mo na ni siya guys. So tanawa, it's so aesthetic, it's so neat, it's so clean. And here's our comfort room. So dire guys na siya bathtub. And we have a big mirror here. And I was up big. See, diba? So elegant, so neat, so clean, so white, so aesthetic. So, there guys, about to be, din nyo makita ang view sa pool and the beach, the sea. So later we're going to have some drinks here. So, actually, this place, ano siguro English? Kanina, bitaoy,